So as soon as you click the application, it's going to go ahead and take you to this load screen right here with our logo. Essentially, whenever I was creating Tivity, I wanted to do something that was geared towards positivity, which hence where the name came from. And as for the leaf, I wanted to give the sense of feeling grounded, just because whenever you're feeling anxious or depressed, you want some type of stability, which was then what inspired me to even create this app in the first place. So whenever you're done loading, it's going to go ahead and take you to the login screen. For the purpose of this video, we're going to pretend that I don't have an account, so we're going to click sign up. And it's going to take you here and ask you some basic information. It's going to ask you first and last name, your email, make a password, confirm a password. So you just go ahead and do that and click sign up. And then this is where we meet Tivity. So Tivity is a self-care through guided journaling based off of your emotional status. We provide informational databases motivated to help you discover self-awareness of your mind and body. Our goal here at Tivity is to provide you with multiple resources dedicated to understanding your mental health. Life can be difficult at times, and we here at Tivity aspire to be here through you throughout all troubled circumstances. So that's basically what the app is going to be about. So we're going to do let's begin. And then it's going to take you to this screen right here. For this purpose of the video, I'm going to suggest that I'm feeling happy. So I'm just going to click this one right here. And it's going to take me to the content page. Now I don't have the content installed here at the moment, but it's going to go ahead and be about like some yoga techniques or breathing or, some type of meditation. It'll also just be like, maybe some inspiring stories to help you along as well. It's also going to have some yoga techniques in there that helps with the meditation, just to give you some extracurricular activity, just because I find that a busy mind is a happy mind. Whenever people are depressed or they have anxiety, it's just because they have so much going on in their head, and sometimes you need a little bit of a distraction in order to get through it. So this is going to be the journaling icon right here. This is going to essentially take you to your topics where you would write out like certain things pertaining to your emotional status. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to go ahead and click the menu. And it's going to take you right here. Essentially, it's going to have your little icon that you can go ahead and upload a picture of yourself. And then it's going to say, hello, so-and-so, essentially. And then it's going to have a home, a progress, a contact us, a find help, and a settings button. Progress is going to be essentially about when you pick your emotional status. It's going to go ahead and show like how much you've been picking a certain emotion throughout the entire month, so that way you can kind of track your progress. We're also going to have a contact information, which will essentially link you up to us if you're having any technical difficulties with the application. And for my favorite feature of this is going to be the find help. Essentially what that is that's going to be somewhere where if you really need the extra help, you have options. So BetterHelp essentially is online counseling. I know that counseling can be overwhelming just because of how expensive it is, but BetterHelp is cheaper, significantly cheaper. I believe it's $40 a week possibly in order to be able to use this site. So that way if you really need to talk to someone, you have that option for you. As well as the suicide hotline. I wanted to put that on there just because I know people sometimes are going through hard times and they do have those suicidal thoughts, and I just wanted to make sure that that number was posted directly on here just in case something like that happens, so we could go ahead and prevent anything that has to do with those type of thoughts. But that's pretty much it. That's basically what Tivity is so far.